Ashwagandha has been used in Ayurvedic, African, and Greco-Arabian medicine for more than 3,000 years. The plant has medicinal value due to its use in a variety of diseases. Scientific studies have claimed that it is used for all age groups, in both sexes and even during pregnancy without any side effects. The root is regarded as a tonic, aphrodisiac, and is used in emaciation, debility, dyspepsia and rheumatism. A decoction of the root is used for colds and chills. A decoction of the root bark is administered in asthma. The young shoots are used for nutrition. Leaves are used as abortifacients, in kidney disorders, fever, smallpox, measles and pulmonary troubles. Leaf sap is used against asthma and malaria. Its roots are used as sedative, aphrodisiac, for anthrax, which is an animal disease, and gynecological problems. Whereas green fruits are reported to treat hemorrhoids. Flowers are reported as aphrodisiac. Pharmacological research has shown ashwagandha to possess anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory and analgesic activities. Studies on its anti-stress activity have shown that in mice, which are subjected to swimming stress, an increase in the swimming time, and reduction in gastric ulcers was noted. The anti-stress effect of ashwagandha was manifested by the inhibition of stress-induced increase in the dopaminergic receptor population, in corpus striatum. There are a number of reports showing the chemical and pharmacological properties of ashwagandha. Withania is therapeutically active. Withanolide reported to be present in ashwagandha leaves. In animal studies, Withania has shown significant anti-cancer activity. For this reason, its leaves are used in Ayurvedic and Unani systems of medicine for treatment of tumors and tubercular glands. A number of withanolide steroidal lactones have been isolated from the leaves of ashwagandha and exhibit antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-tumor properties. The pharmacological effects of its roots are due to the presence of withanolides, which is a group of steroidal lactones. Research has shown over 35 chemical constituents contained in the roots of Withania somnifera. The biologically active chemical constituents are alkaloids, steroidal lactones, withanolides, withaferins, saponins and withanolioids. Withania somnifera is also rich in iron. Much of its pharmacological activity is due to main withanolides, withaferin A and withanolide D.